Hey guys, Adam with Into Venture here, bringing you a video about the best DIY, do-it-yourself, that's a little acronym for you. No, I'm just kidding. DIY Roam bin mounts for your Roam bin that you're gonna get. I think this would work for pretty much any model. I have the 83 liters, yeah, this worked really well for me. They do make their own bracket now. They just released it. That looks pretty cool, especially if you're gonna be taking your bin on and off of your roof rack. Those are gonna be what's up. They're a little pricey, in my opinion, but I wanted something that was streamlined, that I didn't have to spend a ton of money on, and I kind of have fun fabricating my own things anyway. So let me open this up and show you kind of what the end product is, and then I'll show you how I built it. So right in here, you'll see these two nuts, and then this metal plate right in here. Basically, you just have to make this metal plate. You have to make these carriage bolts cut to fit. These slide through your roof rack rails, and then they just come up through, and you bracket it in through this plate. This plate sits in an already carved out groove from the factory Roam bin. And then this just pressures it down on there, and once it's in there, it's in there. And so, yeah, I'll show you how that was made. Check it out.
Here I am cutting the 6-inch carriage bolts to length for mounting the Roam bins. I'm creating my own brackets for the best fitment, no drill mounting, the highest level of security, and overall great look. I had to build my own plates that basically look like these small tongue depressors, and they fit inside of the Roam bin depressions.
Alright, so in a nutshell, you just get a long carriage bolt and cut it to size that sticks just inside of the Roam bin mount. And then you have to get some sort of a steel and cut it to perfect shape within the top of the bin. Once you have your bins, you'll be able to see what that looks like up there. And then this just slides into your roof rack like anything else. The carriage bolt, this piece sticks right up out of the bottom. So that's underneath, no one can get to it. Then this just goes up through the Roam bin. This goes in top and sits on top of the plastic. And then you can just, you're gonna wanna do some Loctite, but then throw your nut on there, do it on both sides, tighten it down, and it just cinches it right there. Now some pro tips on this is I did, actually this is like the rubber wrap that you put on cables to create a seal. It's a heat shrink wrap, and then this is just electrical tape. This is mostly just to make the whole thing black, to match my roof rack and the bins and kind of hide away, but it also just protects the whole unit. This, while protecting it, also will provide safety to the actual Roam bin, so it doesn't sit there and scratch it up, or if there is any shifting at all, it doesn't, this is the part that's hitting it, and so that's nice and protected and smooth. So I got one more bin to mount up.
Alright everyone, so thanks for checking out this video, the best DIY Roam adventure bin mounts. Yeah, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer anything. But yeah, if you like the video, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.